Today, I'm going to show you why patience is the most underrated trading skill in forex, and why traders who master patience eventually start seeing profits that feel effortless. You're about to understand something that most traders never learn, and that's why they stay stuck in the same cycle for years. So sit tight. This will change the way you trade. Why most traders lose because of impatience. Here's the hard truth. Most traders aren't losing because the market is too difficult. They're losing because their mind is too loud. They want to make money today. They want to catch every move. They want to look busy on the charts. But forex doesn't reward busyness. Forex rewards discipline. Every time you trade out of fear, every time you enter out of boredom, every time you click buy or sell because the market is moving, you are paying a tax called impatience. And that tax is expensive. B, how patience helps you see the market more clearly. When you're impatient, you zoom in to the tiniest time frames. You overanalyze every candle. You convince yourself that something is happening when nothing is happening. But when you're patient, something strange occurs. The noise disappears. The chart becomes clearer. The setups become obvious. Patience slows your breathing. It slows your thoughts. And suddenly, you start seeing the real direction. The market rewards the calm mind, not the chaotic one. Let me tell you a short story. It's about a trader named David. David wasn't a beginner. He knew structure, he knew breakouts, he knew risk management. But he had one weakness. He hated waiting. One day, he saw GBP USD moving fast. Price was flying. He felt that familiar pressure in his chest, that fear of missing out. So he jumped in. No confirmation, no plan, just emotion. Price reversed immediately. He lost 40% of his account in minutes. He was angry, embarrassed, frustrated. So he did what impatient traders do. He tried to make back the money. He over-leveraged. He forced a new trade. He ignored his own rules. And that day, David blew his entire account. Now, here's the twist. After that loss, he took a break. He watched the same chart again, this time with patience. He realized the reversal was obvious. He realized the setup wasn't ready. He realized he was trading fear, not strategy. So he changed. He trained himself to wait. He journaled. He only took trades that matched his rules. He stopped chasing every candle. Within months, David wasn't just profitable, he was calm, focused, disciplined. Patience didn't just fix his trading, it fixed his mindset. And that's exactly what most traders need today. C, the psychology behind waiting for the right setup. Here's the psychology. Your brain hates waiting. It loves stimulation. It wants that dopamine rush of clicking buy or sell. But the market does not care about your dopamine. When you force a trade, your brain is trying to escape discomfort, not follow analysis. Waiting is uncomfortable. Patience is uncomfortable. But discomfort is the birthplace of discipline. The longer you sit on your hands, the more power you gain over your emotions. And in forex, emotional control is everything. D, how patience protects your capital. Patience does one job better than anything else. It protects your account. Think about it. Every bad trade you've ever taken, every blown account, every unnecessary loss came from entering too early, entering too late, or entering emotionally. But when you wait for the right setup, your risk becomes clearer, your entry is cleaner, your stop loss is logical, your take profit is structured. Patience reduces risk, increases accuracy, and gives you longevity in the market. A patient trader stays alive long enough to become profitable. An impatient trader doesn't. E, How to develop patience practically. Let's get practical. Here's how you build patience. 1. Create a rule-based system. If your setup doesn't check all your boxes, you don't enter. Simple. 2. Use alerts. Stop staring at the chart. Let the chart call you when the setup is ready. 3. Limit your number of trades. Tell yourself maximum 1 to 3 trades per day. This forces your brain to wait. 4. Journal your impatience. Every time you enter too early, write down why. You'll start seeing patterns. 5. Walk away when you're emotional. Your best trades come from a calm mind. Your worst trades come from stress. 6. Trust the market. Price will always give another opportunity. Always. When you truly believe that, patience becomes natural. F. What happens when you force trades versus when you wait? Let me show you the difference. When you force trades, you're rushing, you're insecure, you're driven by fear or greed. Your chart looks chaotic. Your losses feel personal. Your confidence disappears. When you wait, your entry is clean. Your confidence is higher. Your losses feel controlled. Your profits feel intentional. You stop reacting to the market and start understanding it. Listen, patience isn't just a trading skill. It is a trading superpower. Every profitable trader you admire, every trader who is consistent, calm, and confident, they didn't get there by trading more. They got there by waiting more. From today, promise yourself one thing. You will not rush another trade. Not because of fear, not because of boredom, not because the market is moving fast. You will wait for your setup. You will trust your rules. You will protect your capital. And the profits will follow. If this video spoke to you, if you felt this message in your spirit, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and watch the next video on your screen right now. Remember this, in Forex, patience isn't just the key, it's the entire door.